So, you're probably wondering what I'm doing right now. And excuse this face, I have no makeup. But I have an unboxing to do and I wanted to share with you guys. So, yeah, let's get to it. So, this is the box. By BH Cosmetics, trying to cover up my label. I already got this part opened. So, it's really full in there. It's all in here. Liquid linen long-lasting lip color in the color Juliana? And I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. Let's see. There we go. So it's in this color. Looks like this. The color is right there in little words. So let's get... That's a bomb color. So there's that one. Actually, I'm gonna have to set it on my other side. Okay, now we have these. So I just put pigment primer on my hand because I want to see how vibrant it is, and I want to get you guys, if I found a color I really like and I want to test it out. Holy crap, they wrapped it really good. Here it is. Okay, first thing I see is the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Sagittarius. And it opens like this. Pretty. And, ooh, let me take the sleeve off. In those colors. Kind of want to test out that purple though. Let's test it out. Looks like that. Really shimmery. I don't know if you, oh, there it is, right there. There's that. Very pretty. There's other colors in it too, but I'm pretty sure you guys will see pictures and videos on it later, like on my Instagram. Next I see is the Blacklight Highlight 6-color palette. And different highlights. I've been wanting this for a while, so I'm excited to finally get it. Sorry, I'm putting my stuff right there. So open like that. Move the sleeve. Looks like that. And I don't have a ring light, so I'm sorry. Kind of want to test out this blue. There's that blue. And ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but that's very shiny. I see the Zodiac Love Sign by BH Cosmetics. All of this is BH, by the way. So the Zodiac Love Signs, which is the one I really wanted more than the other one that they had. How does it open? Oh, I guess they all have a sleeve like this. Looks like that. So pretty. Sorry, my hands are making marks on this palette. Very gorgeous. Kind of want to test out this gold. Let's test. Oh, and there's a highlight in there. I'll test them both out. So the gold is in Cancer. That gold. And there's no name for the highlight. So there's the gold. There's that highlight, which I'll probably use on my brow bone. There's the highlight. You can kind of see it. And then the gold. Ooh, love that. Is the last palette that I see that I got. All of this I got on Cyber Monday, by the way. Next one I see is the Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow. shadow palette. So I've been wanting this for a while. There's the back. But this I've been wanting for quite some time, and I finally got it. And this one opens differently. Okay. Ooh, it's bulky. Very bulky. But in a good way. Has a button to open it. Okay, so they have the sheets with the names on them, but those are the colors. I want to test out that green. Let's test out that green. What is the name of that green? Let's see. The name of the green is called Matte. Like the color is matte. Okay. Oh wait, no. Those aren't the names. Those are telling you what they are. So we have like dual chrome, shimmer, matte, metallic, shimmer, metallic, matte, duochrome. That's all it says. So there's no name to it. But I am going to try that green because it is a matte color and I want to know. And let's test out that really burnt reddish orange. So those are those two colors. I did that wrong, sorry, hold on. There we go. Let me rub that more. Really bad swatches, but there's the green and there's that reddish brown color, which I'll be using for Christmas, I think. Yeah. That looks like the, I think. Yep. That looks like the end of my boxing. I know a few of you really didn't care when I did the voting for it. A lot of you were like, it's fine, you don't have to do it. But honestly, let's be honest, I need videos. Sorry, I'm trying to clean this off. I need videos, and I like opening things I haven't seen yet on camera just to get my reaction, which by the way, I love every single one of them. Yes, I bought them, but I bought them on Cyber Monday and on Black Friday. I can't remember if I bought it Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I think I bought it Cyber Monday. Yeah, I did Cyber Monday. I think. It was either Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I'm going blank. Either way, you get a lot of good deals. And I went on Afterpay. No, I am not sponsored, but Afterpay is amazing. You guys should definitely check out that website. It helps you pay what you really want to get in different payments, which is really cool. You guys can see my Christmas background. I try to do a different background just to make it fun. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but we shall see. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for more. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. If we run far away, I think we can learn to fly. Let's share these memories, rock and roll until it's right. Baby, let's just love our life.